Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to install Cryfear. There's my torrent right there. And first you're going to need is to open your internet browser. The software you're going to need is BitTorrent, as I got right here. BitTorrent 7.8. To get BitTorrent, you got to go to bittorrent.com. Press get BitTorrent. Press free download. It'll start an installation and everything. After you do that, go to BitTorrent. I mean, not BitTorrent. Snoop. And searching Cryfear. Press software. Do not press games. Press software. Cryfear setup will be right there. Press that. And when you have your BitTorrent up, you press download torrent. And it will open this window. It says blah 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 blah, and press OK, and the torrent will be downloading on BitTorrent. And that's it. I'm gonna be playing Cryfear while doing that. Oh yeah, bye.